Hi friends, let me show you this new Zefiro corded vacuum cleaner that I received for reviewing purposes. You get all the basic accessories. It is a corded unit, so you have really good power to work with. It's useful to clean your home with or without a carpet. If you have pets, like I do, I will show you. Okay, you get all the accessories, all the parts. Let's put it together. As you can see, it's easy to set up. It's a really lightweight vacuum, and you have all these accessories to use them depending on the job you want to do. Okay, you have these like carpets and curtains, small places for your furniture, and an extra filter to change it whenever you need it. Okay, let's try it. We are going to try my vacuum here. As you can see, I have my pets, and we have a lot of pet hair and food and everything. Okay. As you can see, it's really strong, powerful. Just turn it on. Okay, and let me show you. You see how easy it is to vacuum the pet's food? Okay. I will change the accessory. Okay. I'm going to use the brush. You can reach farther away with this, and you can do the floor with this. Really easy, really convenient, okay? And when you want to clean it, you just open it here, like that, and you get rid of the filter. And you have all the trash here, okay? So, when you want to have a new, convenient, easy to use, nicely sized vacuum, this is a great option for you, okay? And when you are done, you can put the cord in these special hooks that you have in the vacuum. So it's really convenient. Perfect. Thank you.